Hey, what's going on everybody, it's Dhiman here back with the brand new video, and in this video we are going to unbox Poco X3, which comes at the pricing of 17,000 Indian rupees. Before starting this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, let's get started. So this is the box of Poco X3. Inside the box we get Poco X3 along with a USB cable, a 33-watt fast charging adapter, a SIM ejector tool, a transparent back cover, and lastly some paperwork. This is Poco X3 in blue color. I like the arrangement of camera lenses. It consists of 4 cameras, 1 flashlight. It is a plastic bag which has a texture along with the Poco branding on the back. It looks and feels very stylish to hold in hand. It has a power button and volume buttons on right side. The cool thing here is that a physical fingerprint sensor is mounted inside the power button, which unlocks it pretty fast in almost every scenarios. SIM tray is on the left side, which is a hybrid SIM tray. It have an IR blaster plus external microphone on the top, a speaker grill, Type-C port, and a headphone jack is here in the bottom. Poco X3 comes with the 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. This display feels very smooth because it comes with the 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz of touch sampling rate. I cannot show its smoothness on the camera. You can only feel its smoothness when you get your hands on this device. This is a 395 ppi display, means that outdoor sunlight visibility of Poco X3 is good. It is a dot-notch display, and due to which it has 91% screen to body ratio. You can stream HDR content in this device because this display also HDR certified. Poco X3 comes with Snapdragon 732G processor running on Adreno 618 GPU. Normal tasks like checking or replying an email, browsing through Instagram or Twitter, watching a video on YouTube, Netflix, or any other task runs flawlessly on this device. It also handles every game like Call of Duty, PUBG Mobile very well. It comes with 6GB or 8GB LPDDR4X RAM variant. I have here is a 6GB RAM variant. Talking about its RAM management, it handles almost every task very easily, but sometimes it kills some heavy apps that are running in background. But overall its RAM management is good for a normal user. Now let's talk about its cameras. It contains 4 rear cameras and a single front camera mounted inside this display. Talking about the rear camera, here is a 64 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. A 20 megapixel camera is in the front. You can record 4K video with its cameras. Camera quality of Poco X3 is amazing. There is a 20 megapixel camera on the front, which is capable of shooting some really good pictures and videos. Poco X3 comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery which is easily lasts for 2 days. It supports 33-watt charging, and a good thing here is you will get 33-watt charger inside the box. Poco X3 runs on MIUI 12 skin with Android 10 on top. MIUI skin comes with some bloatwares pre-installed, but you can uninstall them without any problem. If you are looking for a phone which has a bigger battery, 120Hz smooth display, and a 732G processor all under 20k, then Poco X3 is the right device for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts through comments. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay creative.